Hello there. Today we are going to explain the installation of the fuel sensor with all the details. Before we proceed, we need to keep some equipment ready. These are a drilling machine, a 35mm hole saw bit, a measuring tape, a hacksaw, a magnetic stick, a water level, a deburring tool, silicon sealant, an Android mobile phone, a pipe cutter, and a multimeter. Let's start the installation process. Before installing the sensor, drain the fuel from the tank. To fix the sensor in the tank, we need to place the sensor at the center of the tank. For this, measure the length of the tank diagonally from alternate corners and mark the position where both diagonals intersect each other. This is the most accurate position to install the sensor. In certain cases, this position might be blocked due to any baffles, reinforcement plates or ribs. So, go with the nearest deep point closest to the center of the tank. After ensuring the right position of the sensor in the tank, drill the hole at the center of the tank using the drill machine. Make sure the angle between the drill machine and tank is 90 degrees. Carefully remove the drilled section of the tank and degrease the surface. Now we move to measuring the length of the fuel sensor. With the help of a measuring tape, measure the depth of the tank. As per the depth of the tank, we will resize the probe length. We need to leave a gap between the probe end and bottom of the tank, something around 10 mm. If you have inserted a bottom cap at the end of the probe, the gap should be around 15 mm. Now cut the probe to the desired length with a tube cutter or grinder. Polish the edge and inner part of the aluminium probe after cutting off. Example: for this particular tank, the depth is 700 mm and we need to give a gap of 10 mm. Therefore, the probe is cut at a length of 690 mm. Next is probe calibration. Download the FLS Config application from the Google Play Store and install it on your phone. Activate Bluetooth and geolocation. Check the serial number on the sensor head, run the application and select the desired fuel sensor from the list. Enter the password. The default password is 0000. The application interface includes data, sensor serial number, MAC address. Value data was transferred to the tracker. Current fuel temperature. A DC value of the empty tank. A DC value of the full tank. Now take the sensor and block the ventilation hole on the sensor head with tape. Turn the sensor upside down with the probe opening towards sky. Put the funnel on the measuring tube and start filling the fuel carefully into the probe. Wait for the value in the application to become stable and the color of the indication to change from red to green. Go to the full option and click on the setting icon. A dialog box will appear with a pre-filled value. Click on OK to save it. Drain the fuel from the probe and turn the sensor upside down. Wait for the value in the application to become stable and the color of the indication to change from red to green. Go to the empty option and click on the setting icon. A dialog box will appear with a pre-filled value. Click on OK to save it. Now let's fix the sensor in the tank. Clean and degrease the tank surface and the fuel sensor probe before installation. Apply a continuous 3 mm bead of sealant around the fastening holes. Then carefully place the sensor in position without shifting it while tightening the self-drilling screws. Seal all screws and holes with the provided caps to prevent corrosion and unauthorized access. Use the rubber gasket and sealant for better sealing. The last and final step is calibration on vehicle fuel tank. Calibration means matching the sensor value with the actual fuel volume in the tank. First, start with an empty tank. Fill fuel in small portions. After each filling, note the fuel quantity and value to prepare a calibration table. For doing this, go to the calibration option and click on the plus icon. A dialog box will appear. Enter the quantity of fuel added and click on OK. The system automatically maps each step to its corresponding sensor value. Repeat this calibration step till the tank gets filled. We can share the calibration using the share icon on Mail and WhatsApp.